This is where we start. The car is completely rusted, the surface is weak, and every touch shows how badly the metal has been damaged over time. I am checking every part carefully, feeling the rough texture, identifying where the rust is deep, and where the metal can still be saved. When I press here, you can see the metal flexing. This means corrosion has already eaten inside. I start by removing loose rust particles. This helps reveal the real condition underneath. Cleaning the surface is important because it prepares the metal for deeper treatment.
Wipe firmly to remove grime and ensure a clean base.
This step is crucial for any maintenance work. I am scraping the rust layer slowly. You can see fresh metal starting to appear. Now I go deeper because surface cleaning alone is not enough to stop corrosion.
This aggressive scraping penetrates the layers of rust, expose all metal beneath.
Now I apply a primer to stop the corrosion. Sanding smooths the surface and removes remaining rust particles. Now the surface feels smoother, which means we are making progress. These holes need repair before painting, otherwise the structure will stay weak. Otherwise the structure will stay weak. I apply filler to rebuild the damaged areas and restore the shape. I shape the surface carefully to match the original body lines. I check if the filler has hardened properly before moving forward.
The surface feels firm, but I need to be thorough with these checks.
It's starting to look better. The next stage is priming.
This final sanding ensures the surface is perfectly smooth.
Primer protects the metal and prepares it for paint.
This layer seals the surface and stops rust from returning. I start applying the original metallic dark green color.
You can see the car slowly coming back to life.
Polishing enhances the shine and smoothness. Polishing enhances the shine and smoothness. Polishing enhances the shine and smoothness. Now the surface reflects light clearly, just like new.
I make final adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect.
The car is almost fully restored. The transformation is clear. The rust is disappearing, revealing the original metallic dark green. The panels are smoothing out. It's looking like new. Almost there. The restoration is complete. From rust to shine, this is a complete transformation.
Now the structure feels solid and strong again. It looks just like a new car again.
The rust is completely gone. Look at that shine. Good as new. This shows what proper care and effort can achieve. If you missed the beginning, watch again and see how it all changed step by step.